about the polar bear. The polar bear is a big white bear. We call it the polar bear because it lives inside the Arctic cycle near the North Pole. There are no polar bears at the South Pole. The polar bear live in the snow and ice. At the North Pole, there is snow and water. There is not any land. People cannot see the polar bear in the snow very well because the coat is yellow white. It has very warm cold because the weather is cold north of the Arctic cycle. This bear is 3 meters long and it weighs 420 kilograms. It can stand up on its back leg because it has very wide feet. It can use its front leg like arm. The polar bear can swim very well. It can swim 120 kilometers out into the waters. It can't fish in the sea anymore for food. It goes into the sea when it is afraid. Some people want to kill polar bear for its beautiful white coat. The government of the United States and Russia said that no one cannot kill polar bear now. They do not want all of this beautiful animal to die. Thank you, sir.